Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm doing the finale on this Hammer Slammer that I brought back from the dead. So if you haven't watched the other videos yet, this guitar was missing the pickups, the electronics. It had an inch of dust on it, been sitting forever. I mean, it was in terrible, rough shape. So I went through and I found a set of P90 humbucker sized pickups off Amazon. I put those in here with just a basic wiring kit, nothing fancy on this one because I was planning on selling it. Small pots, new switch, just all the basics, new set of strings. I leveled the fretboard, crown and polished the frets. One of the tuners was missing parts on it. I rebuilt the tuner, got everything on here. These are the original tuners and they hold tune fantastic. I mean, this guitar polished up and cleaned up so nice, intonated amazingly. So just wanted to do a little bit of a finale, a little playthrough on it. I'm running through my Blackstar HT60 Soloist amp, and we're going to give it just a few sound samples, clean, dirty, through the neck, middle, and bridge position. See what you guys think. If you haven't done it yet, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to build this channel. All the help you guys can give me would be amazing. And with that, let's give her some tones here. So I'm in the bridge position, clean channel. So those pickups are very punchy. They've got a great sound tone. We'll go to the middle position here. Then we'll go up to the neck. Sounds really good. This guitar plays fantastic. I mean, these were made in the 90s. They haven't made them forever. It's a solid mahogany body. It's got a tinted clear over it with red clear. Looks like a black grain filler under it. Rosewood fretboard. I mean, it's a damn nice guitar. I've played a lot more expensive guitars than this that didn't play as good, didn't sound as good, and didn't feel as good to play. So I'm pretty impressed with this. Let's give it a little bit of drive here. We're still in the bridge position. Nice growl. These pickups sound really good. I'm real impressed with those. I think they were $32. Middle position. And to the neck position. I don't know what else to say. Just wanted to give you the playthrough and a finale on it. It's a great guitar. I posted it, I was going to sell it, ended up giving it to our middle son. He's starting to get into playing guitar a little bit, and he's been wanting an electric that's his. And he's been eyeing it since I had it sitting on the table all tore apart. So the other night I came in here, gave him the option. I'll build you a guitar, or I'll give you this one. And he chose this one. He really likes it. So this is his guitar now. It's going to stay in the family, and I might steal it for a gig or two. But yeah, everybody have a good night tonight. Like, subscribe, come back for more. I've got a few more demos I'm going to do tonight, and I'll start throwing them out there. I've got 3 or 4 different guitars here to do videos on, so keep following. You like it? Thank you.